Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. Yeah, previously I tried to install Raspberry Pi OS on my Acer Switch 2-in-1, and well, it failed. Now, I couldn't detect the keyboard, so I had to add an external keyboard. The little touchpad didn't work, so I had to add a mouse. Got some comments here. Raspberry Pi wasn't made to be used on devices other than Raspberry Pis, but I beg to differ. This is Raspberry Pi desktop. It's intended for PC and Mac. So I informed them and shared a link there. Interesting that you would comment, and people comment and I reply. There was other comments above here. Try some flavor of Ubuntu. Someone else says Linux Mint. And you know, I burned a DVD for the Raspberry Pi OS episode, but I don't want to do that anymore. That's a lot of work. I want to just go ahead and create a bootable Linux thumb drive. So this article is specific to Mint here. Yeah, I don't like all the advertising and links and stuff, so we're going to go into reader mode here. Yeah, and so what do we need to do? We need to download the Linux Mint ISO image. Look for the links down below to all of these articles. Yeah, see, there's the Linux Mint. I'm going to do the Cinnamon edition. Sleek, modern, and innovative. And somebody else commented, yeah, try Rufus. So I'm going to try Rufus. Let's go to reader mode here as well. I just don't want to click on those other download now things. Yeah, you come down here to the table, and that's where your downloads are. So you can see I've downloaded Rufus, and I've downloaded the Linux Mint ISO. So let's go over here. There's Rufus. Rufus is really just an executable. It doesn't install anything on your PC. Well, it does download some bits that it needs. Let's go ahead and plug our USB drive in here. There we go. Now we can open Rufus. Yeah, okay, USB drive's connected. You can see previously I had innocently just put the ISO on there thinking that was going to work, but that doesn't work that way. So we launch Rufus and it sees my 32 gig thumb drive, so I'm happy about that. Now I just need to select an ISO image. So we'll go into ISO files, the Linux Mint. Cinnamon, ISO. I don't really want to change anything else, so let's go ahead and hit start. Okay, so here's the first fork in the road, right ISO image mode or right DD image mode. It recommends ISO image unless it doesn't work, in which case use DD. So I'm just going to go ahead with ISO. Okay, so here it wants to down syslinux. Wants to download syslinux, and the new versions are not compatible with the old ones. Yeah, so Rufus doesn't include it. It has to download it at the time. Okay, warning that it's going to format my thumb drive. This is going to take a long time, so we'll probably go ahead and cut this out. Yeah, okay, yeah, we cut out a lot of that. We're down there. Okay, it's finished, so we hit close. Yeah, hit close. Let's go ahead and inject that. All right, we're ready to boot up that Acer Switch and see if we can install Mint Linux on there. So stay tuned for that one. Look for the links down below for all of the related content. Yeah, how to create the Linux boot thumb drive, how to use Rufus, and download the Mint Linux. Give this video a like, leave a comment down below, and before you go watch more of my Raspberry Pi videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.